Alright, yes. Sexy dancer. And then, alright. Yes!
Nagsisulog ko kahit
Yes, that's right.
Hindi yan.
Oh. Charlotte, sexy dance, Sir Roy.
Hindi yan.
Yes. And then abot and then when you get your wife, sir, you will have your kiss, huh? Yes. That's right.
Mangil, relax na kayo. Huwag mag-empty yan.
And kiss. Yay! Alright. Thank you so much. And once again, congratulations, ma'am and sir, for your very wonderful wedding for this afternoon. Alright. But before anything else, I would like to ask you guys,